Hey guys, welcome to another day, another video. We are on the Dragon Link Golden Century machine at Resorts World Casino. 1 cent denomination, 50-cent per spin bets. We got to turn up some volume. Got Nana with us. Alright, come on, 3 more. Oh, there we go. Come on, flag. We gotta mix it up first. Check that. Almost our bet. Doesn't count until you get our bet. That one will count. If we combine it with the other one, it was our bet.
Anything that makes sense to you.
Oh, we're gonna get a bonus. You'll see.
I know.
See, we practically had it if I was pressing the button. Oh, there we go. That's over our bet at least. $1.50.
Come on. We need some suns or flags. Come on.
Flag? No.
We need the suns then.
Come on, Nana. Let me mix it up again. There we go.
That's good.
That's at least about $5. There we go, $5.20.
Now we need suns and flags.
Take over, Nana. I did my part. Flag. Nope.
One flag, so we need the sun.
Oh, still 1 flag.
We got her.
There we go.
Come on.
It's almost lunchtime. And we got a slot tournament to go in. Flag.
Aw.
Oh.
I only got 2 of them.
Come on. Hold on, Nana, for a second. I remember. No, it's just to convert points. Alright. Want to check and see if I had free play. My little thing was lit up. Alright, come on. Man, it is not even teasing us on this money. Come on.
It's going to do it.
I'm taking back over.
Well, we'll see if that was something.
Oh, that's closer than we've had before. Alright. Flag. Oh. Well, at least we got the jacks. Come on. Flag. Oh, it's teasing me. We're gonna let Nana take back over. See what she can get. Let's oh, so close. Sorry. Oh.
Sun. It's starting to come out.
They're also starting to go broke.
Sun.
Oh,
God.
well, at least they're teasing us now.
Yes.
Two more. Oh, I thought we had it.
One more.
Flag. We're a lucky chance spin winner, guys.
Good flag or something.
Oh, Oh, did he? Oh, we got a little bit. Hit it again, Nana. See if we can do it 2 times in a row. We didn't. I was lucky, Nana wasn't. It's the story of our trip. Story of our trip, guys. Luck. Great Slot Saver has all the luck.
Come on, flags and suns. Come on.
That's okay. That means thank you in Mandarin.
Okay, come on.
Oh, come on. Oh, it is cold, Nana.
It warms up.
It's cold. Come on, one more. I'm taking back over. Alright, here we go. Couldn't possibly do worse than Nana was doing. There we go.
Easy go up there so we know it's at least $5.
Yeah. So I'll take $1.70 right now, as bad as it's been.
Suns.
We got 4. Alright, we're gonna give the reins back to Nana. Hope she doesn't mess it up too badly.
Come on.
Yes. What you guys don't know, before we started filming, Nana said we got to go over to her machine, which is this machine, because I was losing too much. I don't know that logic.
Don't tattle on me. It's gonna do it.
Well, every machine in here was gonna if you put enough money into it. Come on, 4 more.
Where'd the flags go?
Where did anything go, Nana?
3 rows of wild or something.
Our neighbor got the bonus. Let's see if we can get
Took
something.
our bonus.
4. I'm taking back over. Let me mix it up one more time. We got $6 left. Alright, come on, come on. Come on. It teased us for a few seconds and then it stopped again. One flag every time. Oh, the one passed. It was right there. Flag. Nope, not 2 of them. Yeah, Nana's gonna put her 20 and she's been holding on to it with tight, white-knuckled fists. And of course she wants me to lose my 2 20s. And then it's like, oh, now the machine's gonna let her put hers in so she can try to get the winnings instead of me. Well, little does she know I'm taking whatever she wins.
Card.
You want to put your card in?
Yes.
Alright, we'll put my
Thank
card
you for
out.
playing.
Get off of your unlucky
Alright.
card.
Come on, Nana. The people are waiting and watching. We don't have all day. We don't have all day, Nana. People have jobs. They have lives. They gotta go somewhere. There we go.
Welcome.
1 cent.
some decent ones too.
Come on, you can do this for us. Come on.
Flag, nope.
Chanda!
Flag.
There we go. I was gonna say it, but I was too busy yawning at the boredom of this video.
Okay, we need a whole bunch of signs.
We need to get it back up to 60. That's what we put into it.
A whole bunch of signs. Wow.
Shit!
It does its own thing, so let it do it.
Nana's telling me what to do. Well, not enough. Alright, this time we suns. Alright, suns are wild. Oh, that's good though. That's good. That's a nice one. My lucky 20. Yeah, I would have a lucky 22 if I put 80 of yours in first and then put my 20 in.
Keep going.
Come on. Well, looks like it's $1 per line at those ways, so we got at least 4. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I think it's over $10.
Get up to 12, 13.
17.
You weren't supposed to do that.
Suns. Oh.
Come on, we need a set of suns.
Alright, one last spin, guys, but we got one of the 20s back. Get us at least another $4, so we'll be at 40. Preferably some suns. Or a retrigger. Oh, suns. Ah, neither. Alright.
Okay.
There we go. We got something though,
Need
guys.
some sun.
One more.
Oh, come on. Sun.
There it is. They're coming out a little bit now, though.
Yeah.
But we need 6 all at the same time. 4 more.
Chanda! Shit!
Flags? Nope. Just passed.
Come on, we need some suns.
I'm taking over now.
Oh, it's my one.
Yes, it's still my video.
Suns. Come on, we need suns or more flags.
Some kings.
Chanda!
$1. Come on. 3 more.
Suns.
Flags? No. You can take back over, Nana. I'll allow it. I'll allow it this once. Oh, 3 more. Oh, Nana couldn't even do it. If it was still my spin, we would have had it. I gave it to her just too soon.
Oh, Lord.
I will kick myself for forever now. When $50 is on the line, you don't give the hand bet over to Nana. You do it yourself when you're called the Great Slot Saver.
Come on, I want some suns. Suns or more flags. Sun.
Oh.
Sun.
Oh, rough session. 4 more? Ooh. Oh, come on. Oh, what?
Come on.
Alright. I think we're going to take the 25 and run, guys. This machine's a little cold, but thank you for watching. This was Golden Century. Thank Nana for coming out today and joining us, even though she flew with me, so she had no choice. And hit that thumbs up, hit that subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.